How to link pages in Framer. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to link pages in Framer. So what you're going to do is you just have to simply open your Framer right here or create new project. Now I have existing project right here, and in order for you to simply connect or link pages in Framer, what you're going to do is you have to search and look for this link option right here, and then click this one. Now you can connect this to pages or home. So you can tap yes, and then basically that's it. So if you have other options right here, not just pages, not just home, you can just basically click that one. But what you're going to do here is you just have to go to the right side, look for links, and then you will see this option right here. So you can select the element you want to link. Just go to this part right here and then click add, choose a target page from the drop down, and then select that one. So basically that's how easy it is. After that, you can preview the links, and then you can publish and test the button in Framer. But basically that's how easy it is to simply link pages in Framer. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.